Crank it. Yeah.
Are you kidding me? Dude. Are you kidding me?
Welcome back to the channel at the Berlin Fair in Berlin, Connecticut. Flew up to meet Paul Bigelow because we're getting ready to go on Hot Rod Drag Week. And he told me his son, Ty, is getting ready to run in a demolition derby, but the car was running great today. And we got some problems now. We can't get it to start. So we got an hour till he's got to be on the track. We went to inspection, had to fix a few things, mainly rip off the bumper, which conveniently said spank me. Kind of missing that. I wish that was still on there. That was pretty funny. But yeah, they got this car ready. Honestly, like, it was a pretty cream puff car. There's some rot on the bottom of it, but it's got like 95,000 miles on this thing. I can't believe it. So they had to relocate the battery. You see here, we got our battery cables, battery box. And you know, when you start messing around with all this wiring and stuff, sometimes things just ripping the car apart. Sometimes things just don't work out the way you want them to. So we're really hoping we can get this figured out. Keep you guys posted. But we hear power going to the starter, which is right there. We just try to tap it with that big old thing, and it didn't work. You heard it click?
I heard it click.
Yeah, I heard it too. Yeah.
Hit it. Pushing all the fuses on it.
Just make sure your fingers are
box underneath here too.
It's grounded still, right?
Yeah, that's what I was saying. I wonder if it's a weird ground situation.
Hey.
What?
This power terminal is barely on here.
Oh, well then put it on.
Well, then connect it.
You need a battery to start a car? I didn't know that.
Really?
I hope that's all it is.
Oh, we're gonna do some work, and well, I'm not doing anything. I'm just gonna watch, but keep you guys posted.
Just hold this.
No, there it goes. All right, turn the key on. Turn the key on.
Keys on.
Nah,
All right, we got to turn it over. Starter's good. It's something else. It's not the starter.
smell that gas too. It doesn't smell like. So it's pumping fuel, so it's got to be spark
now it's
issue.
pumping fuel now.
Yeah.
Everything was working there.
Is the key on?
Yeah. Keys on. Just let go of it.
All right, well, it's something, it's not starter related, it's not.
Oh, wait. Oh, no. Okay. We're making progress.
It's just relay right here.
Here, do you need another one?
It's just top relay here. It was
This
that
is the
relay
fog.
when that was hot,
Yeah,
right?
here.
It's just hot relay right here. So it was a bad relay, Dad. That's what we were thinking. Right now. Something got wet. Grab a zip tie, fucking.
Okay, so we got to have a bad ground or something if it's overloading that circuit.
Is it out of gas?
No, it's
No.
It has plenty of gas in it.
5 gallons of gas.
Yeah, unless it leaked out on the way over here, it's got plenty of gas in it.
It's definitely, so this relay goes to your dash and everything. Try it again. It's pulling. We got a bad ground somewhere. Find a ground that's bad.
All right, so I think what we think happened was we got some water in that junction box in there, and it ended up shorting out. And we found a bad relay, and we found actually a couple bad relays. See, look at that.
That's FUBAR.
Yeah, a little bit.
Maybe steal a little bit of electric tape for that guy.
And then obviously we just got that one in the. Oh yeah, that's the
starter one.
That's the starter wire.
That's the starter, the big purple one.
Yeah.
Is it just that one terminal?
Just the one terminal.
Oh,
Just
man,
that
dude.
one that's burnt.
But that's the starter wire, right?
Starter, but
But that wouldn't.
I don't know.
That wouldn't
Unless
kill
it's
it.
still fed into something else that.
If it's feeding to another computer system somewhere, I don't know how the fuck it's going to work. Just cut a piece off with my knife.
Immediately dies.
Something's fried. Something's wet. Some computer has moisture inside of it.
Yeah, that's exactly what I think.
And that's why racing works.
We got a car!
We got a car! We got a car!
You are the man, thank you.
And that's why racing works.
All right, so
Don't shut it off!
don't shut it off. He didn't hook the harness back up, so he hooked the harness back up. We're in business.
Don't shut it off!
Driver's meeting in 30 minutes, and then his first run will be shortly after that. That was about to be a really lame freaking video. I was thinking like, oh man, like we're coming out here doing this, and then, you know, can't even get the dang car to run. They've been working on this thing a lot too, and they were gonna be super bummed, so got her running. All right, now we gotta see if it's gonna actually drive. Yes, sir. All right. Let's go racing. So it has been explained to me that this is a double figure eight demolition derby event. And right over here, I might try to post up here. You got your 3 tires. So the cars are gonna all start, I think they're gonna have 5 or 6 at a time. Basically, boom, double figure eight, just snaking back and forth, snaking back and forth. And then I'm not really sure how they're gonna do like the finals or whatever, but he's in the second round, so first round will go, we'll get some video of that, and then we're gonna get you some in-car footage too. A Ty freaking ripping it up out there, so I'm hoping that the car stays together, because I want him to win. We came out here to win. Woo!
Let's shut the stuff down.
Want to leave it running?
No. We got to check everything.
Yeah, so shuts down, fires up, we're good.
Y'all saw that?
We need a prop.
Here. It's my favorite tool.
Dude.
Hood prop.
Hey, just so you know, this is more chaotic right now than drag week's going to be all week.
I don't know. Nobody's standing right here, by the way. Well, we just had a conversation and realized what just happened. He got buddied. So they didn't put this sticker on until a couple of days ago, because Ty's been ripping this car around the field, making sure it's ready to rip. And yeah, as soon as you throw that on there, I'm sure some of y'all can attest to it. You're gonna have problems, okay? That's just the way it is. Yeah, you got the buddy right on the Speedo, brother. Ladies and gentlemen, we just had the first heat. Actually, it's running right now, and I have our featured driver for the evening, Mr. Ty. Ty, what's your plan for the night to take home the W?
Put her to the wood, not gonna think much, and I'm gonna send her hard.
You just gotta send it, brother.
I got no technique, I'm just gonna floor it and point and go.
Point and go. So, and also, we're gonna have in-car camera footage for y'all. If y'all check out his helmet, he's got the GoPro right there. We're gonna follow this journey along. After the race, we're gonna do a little post-race breakdown.
All right.
And then I believe after the figure eight, they got the demo derby, right? Like the legit demo derby.
This makes it, it's doing both.
Heck yeah.
Yep.
All right, brother. Well, we'll see you out there, and good luck.
Thank you.
Well, that is the first heat, ladies and gentlemen. We're gonna follow Mr. Ty in, and this is pretty fun. Uh-oh. We got the power on. We're trying to get this thing fired up. Power is on.
Power is on. It just started, dude. Let's open up the hood. We gotta open up the hood. Twist. Untwist these. Untwist these. Hold the hood up. Hold the hood up. Shine a light. Turn the key on.
Click keys on.
It's out there.
Swap that relay out.
Yeah.
This one.
The big one, big one, big one. Big one.
Is it in park? It's good.
Well, that is a super bummer, because we literally fired this car up like 2 minutes ago, and it was fine, and it's doing the exact same thing. And we could only like scavenge relays and fuses and stuff from so many spots, and that sucks. I feel bad for them, you know. All right, well, we can't cover
Tyler getting out there. We're trying to get the car running still. Well, they're trying to get the car running. But I'm going to show you guys and gals what this event's all about. So they got multiple rounds of this double figure eight. And then they're going to do a championship round at the end. And then they're going to do just like free-for-all demo derby for whoever's still running. How rad is that? Blow it up, 41, blow it up. Just absolute chaos. Chaos.
Chaos.
We were in the splash zone. We got hit with dirt in the face like multiple times. That was fun. I feel so bad for Ty. They're still working on the car.
Fuck, man.
Yeah?
We'll fix it, run at another derby, I guess.
Yeah, yeah.
We got.
Well, it's an unfortunate turn of events, but the derby car isn't done yet. We're gonna put a little plan together. Hopefully, Paul and I got to get to drag week next week. But we might have another opportunity to run this. We might. We've been Yeah Buddy tonight. Been Yeah Buddy tonight. The car was running great, but then I put a Yeah Buddy sticker on the dash so you can see the sticker when he was driving, and then it broke. And then it broke. I'm sorry. Sorry, guys. I don't know.
All right, Yeah Buddy on assignment. Sorry, not Josh. You got Paul. So fast forward a couple weeks. The car didn't want to start in Berlin. We're at a different fair, different town. 2 weeks later, it's officially the week after drag week. Josh and I completed it, and the car's been fine. We kept it inside, kept it dry. Everything seems to be good.
Just fired it 30 seconds ago. Just fired right up. So I think we're good.
So we should be fine. So the car's been inside, it's dried out. Everything seems to be fine. We started it 30 times since last week. So we should be good.
I think so.
We'll see what happens. We got our heat race coming up here shortly. We'll see what happens.
Yep.
Hopefully we don't get Yeah Buddied.
Wish us luck.
Josh, we did leave the rear shocks in for you. I know you said you recommended taking them out, but we are leaving them in.
We figured for the sake of time we should leave them in.
All right, we out.
See you.
All right, it's just about time to line up for the heat race. What do you think?
See if it starts.
Let's see if it starts. Fire it up. Mint.
All right, we're good. It runs.
We're good?
We're good.
Good luck, dude. I'll see you down there.
Alrighty. See how this goes.
There you go.
Slow it up, 61, 62, slow it up, slow it up. Get up there, 62.
How was it?
Awesome, man.
Dude, that was good, wasn't it?
Yeah.
You got the radio on?
Everything's working still.
Oh, we got the radio on. Who's
Yeah.
cracking?
Woo-hoo.
Dude, how was it?
Awesome.
Dude, that was killer.
Awesome.
You finished, bro.
Yep.
I
Yeah.
don't know where it was, but you finished, dude.
I don't know. I got lost out there, but whatever. We had a good time.
Awesome, dude. Let's get you out.
Woo-hoo.
So what do you think? How's it look after? Oh, we're missing a door skin. I don't know where that went. We're really not beat up too bad. We did have to change the right front. Right front
Right front we had to replace.
Right front got foobarred. Other than that, we're really not that bad. What do you think?
Send it. Let's go do this derby. Let's finish this junk off.
It still runs.
It runs too.
It still runs.
I can't believe it.
It still runs.
Only sacrifice the tire. It's not bad.
Yeah. All right, so he made it through his double figure 8 race. The demo derby's coming up next. We're gonna try and finish the car off and see what happens. He's in good spirits, so we'll see what he does. There you have it. What a good night.